Assalamu alaikum wal G15. Today's subject Oppo Find X8 Pro CPI is 2683, CPI is 2357, CPI is 2519, RMX 3910, RMX 5000 network unlock, MDM PSOI 100% tested. Now see this problem solved. Phone lock, MDM lock. Next time your wait, SIM lock and unlock it. Next, a pressure lock, the 100% solution, but remote service. No need bootloader unlock, no file, just official tool link and working remote service. You need your tail, the contact, email on WhatsApp, chat now 24-hour service. My service 24 hours. Oppo MTK, Realme MTK, OnePlus MTK, all new phone. The MDM lock, pressure lock, network lock, other solution now ready. No confuse. My solution 100% trusted. At first, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link, comment box check. Any problem, email on WhatsApp start now. 24-hour service. Good night. Good news. All Oppo new model, Realme new model, only MTK, MDM lock, network lock, pressure lock, 100% okay. Next, ZT A52 drum file, Pandora box, dead mode, 100% trusted. Next, MOTO G15 XT2521 Frp, 100% trusted. Now see email on WhatsApp start now and Telegram join it. Your emergency, any file, any solution need, now WhatsApp, email on Telegram join it. Now see check, others model, solution ready, MDM, network unlock, pressure lock, 100% trusted, okay? Any file need, email on WhatsApp chat now. Emergency or file need, just open, blogger open, now see check, Google, now write Borsha Mobile, okay, blogger site open. If model you need G15, search now, okay, now ready, okay. Any problem, email on WhatsApp start now. Home button, emergency file you need, just 2 3 network unlock, just download. Any problem, WhatsApp number 24-hour service, okay. Good night all GSM friend.